Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I blend color 30 with 33. The brand that I used is X-pressions and I cut each pack into 3 equal parts. 30 is going to be my base and 33 will be used to add some dimension. Now this is the brush that I tend to use and I very much recommend. It's a paddle brush without the round knobs at the tips. Those ones tend to catch the hair and create a lot of tangles and you end up losing a lot of hair. So just a smooth paddle brush will be great. Now I have not feathered the ends and you can do so while you're blending by just simply layering the hair as you blend, as you can see. This is going to be mainly a visual tutorial, so there won't be much talking and I'll just let you watch and observe as I blend. Now, just one tip before I go is if you would like to do a full head of braids and for example, you're going to use 3 packs, then you would use 2 packets of color 30 and 1 packet of color 33. Depending on which you would prefer to be your base color, if you prefer a darker base, then 2 packets of 33 and 1 packet of 30. But if you prefer a lighter base, then the other way around. I started off like this and then later on in the video I added a bit more 33 because I just thought there wasn't enough contrast, but you'll see what I mean once we get there. Be sure to work in small sections at a time. Don't try and blend too much hair at the same time because that is going to be such a nightmare and it's going to be so difficult. So just work in small sections of hair. Blend small sections of hair at a time and you'll find that it will be a lot quicker and a lot easier for you. Another tip is when you're blending dark colors, be very careful to not do it in a dark room. I know that's obvious, but like try to get as much light in so you can see the contrast, because sometimes you think you've done a great job and then once you go out into the light you see a lot of patches where there's like loads of patches of one color. So be sure to do it in a very well lit room or go outside and do it there. And that's how you ensure that you get a very good thorough blend. Okay, now I'll let you guys watch the video in peace, and if you've got any questions that for anything that's not clear in the video, please feel free to leave that in the comment section. Yeah, at this point I added the rest of the 33, but now because the blend has already been feathered, I am adding it in layers. As you can see, one I've layered it shorter than the other, that way it feathers as I blend. I hope I make sense. Okay, I'm leaving you now, for real this time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. Thank you very much.